If there is no control of mind and no control of senses, the so-called yoga practice is bogus. There's no meaning. Yoga, indriya samyama. Yoga means to control the senses. That is the real meaning of yoga. See, if one is unable to control the senses, I have seen in some yoga practice institution in New York, they are practicing this asana, and just after finishing, immediately smoking. This much control they learn. So these are all bogus. This is not yoga system. Yoga system is not so easy, especially in this age. Yoga system means to control the senses, control the mind. And control the mind means you have to control so many things. Your eating, your sleeping, your behaving, these are prescribed in the Bhagavad Gita. How to practice the Astanga yoga. You have to find out a suitable place, a sacred place, a solitary place. Therefore, real yogis, they used to go to Himalaya. Sometimes some young men here in your country, they inquire from me how to go to Himalaya and what will do there, going there, Himalaya. So you are not practiced. So instead of practicing yoga in the Himalaya, you practice yoga here. We have come here to help you. Here this Krishna consciousness movement is there. If you are serious about practicing yoga, this take bhakti yoga, that will come, how it happens in the next few lines. So this Astanga yoga is not possible in this age. Samadhava. Controlling the mind, controlling the sense. Because nobody can properly practice the Astanga yoga system. Impossible. It is not only impossible now, even 5,000 years ago, when Krishna was advising about this Astanga yoga to Arjuna, Arjuna was not ordinary man. He was friend of Krishna. He was a great son of a royal family. And Arjuna's name and fame everyone knows. So he said to Krishna, my dear Krishna, this yoga practice is not possible to be performed by me. I am unable. Arjuna said frankly that he was unable to practice this yoga system. And what we are in comparison to Arjuna. So, this Astanga yoga system is not possible at all in this age. If you are satisfied by learning some sitting posture artificially, that may give you some chance of good exercise of the body. You can give good health. But there is no chance of spiritual realization by Astanga yoga practice in this age. We are teaching our students how to fix up the mind always in Krishna, somewhere or other. That is the first class yoga system. And Krishna also advised feet and pray, bhajate. Krishna, I am your eternal servant. Kindly again engage me in your service. Somehow or other, without being engaged in your service, I have been dragged to the service of Maya. Service I am going. I am rendering service. Because I am eternal servant, therefore my serving process is going on. But where it is going on? I am serving my lust, I am serving my anger, I am serving my greediness, so on. That means on one word, I am serving my sense gratification. So kindly help me. Instead of serving my sense gratification, let me serve your sense gratification. That is yoga. That is first class yoga. Pray always. Fix up your mind in Krishna's lotus feet and pray that I am eternal servant. Now I am engaged in the service of my sense gratification. And you please help me now. I have come to my senses to engage me in your sense gratification. The business is there, sense gratification. But Krishna consciousness means instead of satisfying one's own senses, one should be ready to satisfy the senses of Krishna. Simply come and chant and dance etans and take prasadam, go home happily. That is the first class yoga system. Thank you very much.